Happy morning, children. We are starting with practice at 6.1 first question, where Alka spends 90% of the money that she receives every month and saves rupees 120. How much money does she get monthly? Now they are asking like this: how much money does she get monthly? So I'll start the starting point. What we can write now, we don't know what money she gets monthly. So month gets monthly means what, per month what money she is getting, and that money what actually per, that what is given here, how much money does she get monthly, is actually salary. Everyone is getting, those who are working, everyone is getting. After the 1 month gets over, we get salary. So it is actually salary word should have been used here, but it is given how much money does she get monthly. So we don't know. So we can start with, let Alka receive rupees P per month. So here I have written, let Alka receive rupees P per month, and that P per month is nothing but actually it is salary. I'll just write it down, salary word also here. Okay, per month what she is getting is actually salary. So now here so Alka spends what she spends, 90%, whatever salary she is getting. She is spending 90%, she is spending only. And what she is saving, rupees 120. So 90% of what is this P? That is salary, which we have to find. We don't know. So we have used the letter P. So 90% of P, that is 9 upon 10 P. So this is what she is spending. Now you tell me one thing. Everyone, we have discussed investment, we have discussed the meaning of financial planning, we have discussed the meaning of saving. Now whatever salary she is getting, whoever is working, they are getting per month salary. So from the given salary, they are spending all daily expenses, what all things I told you, electricity bill we have to pay, grocery shop, day to day vegetables which we have to buy, lot of things are there. So most of us, we are spending and spending. So the percentage is also high for spending, that is 90% is spending, right? So easily you can tell what will be the percentage which is being saved if 90% is being spent. So what percentage is being saved? 10%. This is 90%. Then out of 190 for spending. And so for saving, what it will be? 10% only. So saving like a formula. How we can make our own formula to find it out? We have to find the salary, right? Now whatever salary I am having, I am, from the salary only I am spending some amount. Okay, so here my formula can be like this. What is being saved? Huh? My savings will be what? Savings will be equal to the salary. What salary I am having? Minus my expenses. Expenses means what I have spent. We can use the word expenses, or if you don't understand it clearly, what Alka has spent. The amount spent by her. So amount spent or expenses. Expenses word is much better. Amount spent is nothing but expenses. Kharcha, expenditure. Okay. So amount spent. Now I am writing, and here I'll write expenditure or expenses. Meaning is the same. Just for understanding, I'm writing amount spent. Now what is the savings given to us? Savings is 120 is equal to, what is the salary here? What we wrote here, per month is P. So salary is P minus. And what is being spent by Alka? 9 upon 10 P. Now we have, this is the equation. Now we should find the value of P by solving this equation. Now 10 is in the denominator. We want to get rid of it. So multiply both the sides by 10. So what you will get? 120 into 10 is equal to P into 10 minus 9 upon 10 P into 10. This 10 will be cancelled. So 120 into 10 will be 1200 is equal to 10p minus 9p. Now 10p minus 9p is p. So see, the sum is so easy. So we got our answer. What is p? P is nothing but Alka receives rupees p per month. That is nothing but the salary. So what we will write the conclusion? Therefore, Alka receives rupees 1200 per month. Okay, like this you have to write the conclusion. Followed? Rupees, we should use this symbol rupees. Okay.